So hello everyone, welcome to Lorenzo Data Solutions. So my name is Anipe Abraham, SAP SuccessFactors Consultant and Corporate Trainer. So before I continue to say anything in this episode, I want to say one thing. This is my own view or opinion, and I represent no one. So in this blog, I wanted to explain about the minor enhancements for Employee Central H1 2022. Actually, in my previous blog, which I have already posted on my channel about the major updates for Employee Central H1 2022. But here I am trying to focus more on minor enhancements that you all should know. So as you all know that the preview release on 15th April 2022 and the production release on 20th May 2022. Now, from the first minor enhancement for Employee Central time off is now SAP has added a new link from time off quick action card to time off UI. So now on the latest homepage, you have a quick action card for a time off UI. When you click on it, so there is a link you will find at the bottom of the quick card. So it helps you to know more about, we can say SAP has added this link and a text because it was unclear for users whether to click the action card was a replacement for a regular time off or offered in addition to it. You can see in this screenshot when you click on it, even when you go to the time off UI, you will see it. For more information about your time account balances and absences, please go to the time off. There is a link you here. But before this actually release, you have no option, this link, and it is very unclear for the users to whether to click on or not. But now from this release as enhancement on the quick action card to time off UI, you will see it from the production release 20th May 2020 messages on absence form. SAP has enhanced this validation error message while creating the absences. During the splits and delimit scenarios, it helps you actually. The absences cannot be split and delimited because there are one or more absences for this particular user for a particular period. So with linking information, therefore posting the job is not possible. So the system will give you the error message. You can see here. Look at everybody. So this enhancement helps the users to experience with respect to the validation error messages on the directly the absence form. When you request, the system will tell you if there is anything splits and delimit scenarios, and it will tell you that you cannot submit the request. And this is a minor enhancement, and this is going to be available from the 20th of May 2022. Next, and one more thing, this is also about the time off. Delete pending alerts for cancelled absences. So, when earlier, all the pending alerts actually it's not possible to delete, but now you can delete for all the cancelled absences. So SAP has made this change in response to the feedback SAP has received from the customers about all the unwanted alerts, so that this ensures that all the alerts are not sent when a leave request is cancelled. So configure all the relevant rule as shown here, so that all the unnecessary, or we can say you can delete all the pending alerts, all the cancelled absences, and you can follow it. This particular rule, you can see the base object employee time. If employee time dot approve status to be equal to cancel, when that workflow is cancelled and no notification takes place, and you are able to delete it. And this is the Trigger employee time alert, time off, date plus, today, number of months, number of days, alert message, external code. Next, setting the visibility of the fields using the business rules. This is one of the wonderful option. Earlier, whenever you want to set the field attributes, whenever you use a model based objects, right? It tells you visibility, required value, previous value, and etc. Now, when you are selecting this earlier a base object, when you want to set like a view or edit or anything, here the rule function or only possible for a text. But now you are able to select the value and you're able to select all the visibility attribute filter properties here like a none, and you can select it. But earlier it was like a text view, text is equal to edit text is. So now you can see this option test set the visibility of a field using a business rule has been changed. So now you can only select the value from the available list for a field attribute visibility instead of entering the text value. So none means the field is hidden, edit means you can read and write, and edit view means you can only read. Next, updates to the HRAsync. SAP has redesigned HRAsync. Previously, HRAsync job synced data based on each entity for all user IDs. But now the data is going to sync for all the entities based on each user ID. Along with the redesign, SAP has made following enhancement. That HRAsync job runs in a shorter time frame. You can view the details for all the job provided with a more relevant when HRAsync job runs. If you remove email address from Employee Central by importing, the email address is removed from the employee profile as well, because there is a sync mapping is happening from Employee Central to employee profile as a unidirectional. So date of birth field is now synced when rehiring contingent worker. So these are all the enhancements SAP made, and you can see HRAsync job just finished execution, and you can see job completed successfully. So here I have mostly concentrated about minor enhancements for Employee Central. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you all again next time with a new blog. Bye everyone.